So it's Russell Smith and Phil Lamb for Tour of the Town here
Yes.
at Starston
St
St
Margaret.
Margaret. Yeah, we remember that one. And look what we've got.
Margaret.
Church open.
Yes. Let's have a look again. Look forward to this.
So we're just a couple of miles outside the town of Harleston. Last day of February.
Yes.
We had some really nice warm weather last week, didn't we, Russell?
Indeed, we're spoiled, weren't we, really?
Not so good now. It's
No,
about overcast, drizzly, 9 degrees.
And if the daffs have come up, because they're that bit of warm weather,
Yes, the daffodils are certainly up.
but the insects have woken up, haven't they? It's not warm weather, so there we go.
Let's have a look at the church then. So we're on the north side at the moment. We've got a square west tower. We have a nave with the north aisle. See the 3 windows there.
Checkered design everywhere, isn't there?
We have the checkered design, yeah. Although the original fabric of the church is 14th century, we did have a big restoration taking place in 1870,
yes.
which included...
Vandalised it,
Okay. The north aisle is from the 1870 restoration. The chancel was completely rebuilt in 1870. See what else they've done.
Very interesting wall painting, I understand.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that, I think, Russell. Uncovered some wall paintings here during the restoration, but unfortunately destroyed them. Let's go around then. Sort of squat kind of west tower there, Russell. No west eye. We've got a gargoyle at the top there, that spouting mouth. We've got basically 3 stages in this tower. I think it's all built in one go by the looks of it. 1300s. Very nice graveyard. Look, I think it's a round one, isn't it, Russell?
Yeah,
I think that's shows that it's built on a very ancient site if it's a round graveyard. Have a look around there. You can see the dip down to the village, Russell.
Yes, down to the valley there, a little beck down there,
Okay,
I think, yeah.
that's right, yeah. We've got all the
That's right, yes. First time I've seen them, isn't it?
daffodils.
All bloom, yes, so yeah, I'm not disappointed.
Quite a few of them, isn't it? Let's have a look at the church from the south. We see a huge clock halfway up the tower.
Good order.
Yeah. Got some checker patterns in the battlements at the top. We've got a south porch there. Also rebuilt in 1870.
Yeah, again you can tell because all the flints are so good, aren't they, compared to the rough sort of like stones, aren't they, on the old
That's great. You
grizzle.
can kind of tell sort of 19th century stonework from medieval.
More sophisticated ways of splitting the flints.
Yeah. You got a south aisle. We'll take a look in there at the moment. Obviously the statue is not medieval.
No, that would have been taken down, wouldn't it? The original. The Reformation.
Checkered work as well. It's embattled.
Yeah. That's a good gargoyle, isn't it?
Yes, there are some, aren't they? Look at that one. See that?
Look at that one. They've actually got a water carrier on that gargoyle. You see that one? It says you're carrying on. See that one?
Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah, you're right, Russell. It's unusual, isn't it?
Yeah, very unusual. It's a very good one.
Oh yeah, it's holding some kind of like jug or something.
Yeah, like the water carrier.
Yeah.
Quite distinctive, isn't it?
So, chancel is from 1870.
Yeah, again the flints are so
Yes.
good, aren't they?
You are right there, Russell. The flints are of a certain time. We've got another. Mind you, it's probably Victorian grotesque on this occasion, I think.
Yeah, that looks a bit more new, but I think on the side of the windows there's 2 little cherubs there or something, and they look
Quite sweet, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they are Victorian, Russell.
And
That one, even that one's broken off. I think the whole chancel's rebuilt.
Oh, right, so it could be
Yeah, including the
Victorian.
priest door.
Nothing left, like say, vandals. But then again, I suppose it would probably fallen apart. The old resource while they rebuild these things.
Possibly.
Yeah, a bit like what's happening today, unfortunately. Who's going to save them?
East window.
Yeah, it's a plain window, isn't it?
Who are we going to call? Tin Flack.
Tin Flack.
Down we go. Then let's have a look inside the church. So basically, half the church nearly rebuilt in the 1870 restoration.
Sloping down.
A lot of very old gravestones. Russ, here we go. Look.
What's a good one, isn't it? With
Yeah.
long crossbones. Yeah, that's the 18th century, isn't it? Cherubs on it.
That is an old one.
Yeah.
Same with that one there, isn't it?
Shame we can't restore them.
It's late.
Family's long gone, haven't
Late 18th.
they? Very important information on these stones.
With this one, Russell, look.
Oh wow!
It's got the skull on there. It's got a skull with wings, so it's
Yeah.
it's sort of like in a transition to an angel.
Yes.
But look at that, look.
The rector or
That's
something?
1696
Former rector, perhaps.
from Rector.
Yeah. 69. That's pretty good. That's not quite the oldest one we've seen. It's
No.
1651, isn't it? I think
It's good going if you find
Yeah.
one from the 17th.
Yeah, definitely. So it is
Get much older than that.
coming apart, though. It's good, isn't it?
Oh, it's a bit squelchy round here.
Yeah, it's a very old
Older
grave,
ones,
lots of
more
them.
18th ones,
Yeah.
a bit later in the decade.
So yeah, there's a long bill on like a mott almost on here, aren't we?
Ooh.
Not sure if it's man-made, but still, aren't we?
Okay, so we're coming into the church through the south porch. The arch into the nave is 1400s.
The
Door's
old.
pretty good as well, yeah.
It's
I was
old.
going to say.
That's like 1870.
Elaborate knocker.
Very good. The ironwork's
Yeah, look
fantastic,
at,
isn't it? Look at
look at the strap work.
that. Yeah.
Just admire the craftsmanship.
Yeah. It was
Look at it, it's huge, isn't it? I saw.
massive, isn't it? Really, isn't it?
You got some good corbel ends there.
Very good.
There you go, look.
Something carved into the roof here. I think that's pretty late. There we go.
Into the church. Quite dark in here. So into the church, we have the nave, no south aisle,
Yeah.
just a north aisle of 3 bays. The north aisle from 1870 restoration. This is the chancel and the south porch. We have a 15th century font, a typical East Anglian type.
Yeah, we've seen plenty of those, haven't we?
Yes, loads octagonal. With fleurons and shields, lions, road hoses are sometimes. There you go, quite a nice one, a nice example.
Yes.
We have huge organ
Yeah, good old.
under the tower arch.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us anything about the organ, Russell? Got a toilet underneath there as well, so we've got some modern facilities.
I can't see a maker's name. I don't think it's quite recent, I think.
You're not tempted to have a go.
No. I don't think it's that old, I think, the organs. I think.
You got a nice chest there.
It's just there, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit of pattern on
It's
it.
incised, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great War Memorial.
And the second World War, yeah.
So let's go into the north aisle. We've got some benches and wooden panelling, wainscoting.
Yeah. It's in that few places, isn't it? Yeah.
Probably the benches look sort of 1870 sort of to me. That's throughout the nave and the aisle.
Yes.
Quite a nice design though on the sides there and the ends there. Can't see any medieval poppy heads.
Memorial there. What fairy was it? In Latin?
Yes, we know that one. That is that is the memorial to Robert Ferry of 1767.
Very nice.
Typical neoclassical design you can see there, white marble. The pediment at the top, triangular bit.
That's it.
And we've got some cherubs.
Like
They're not properly called cherubs, what are they called, Russell, can you remember?
Not sure.
Well, it's gone blank.
Probably know it when I hear it.
We have another monument, wall mounted.
18th century again, yes, definitely.
A bit older than the other one, Russell.
Someone, Thomas Arrowsmith, I think. Yeah, that was the body of Thomas Arrowsmith, MA. Yes, it says something about 1720s on there, so
Yeah.
it could be a little bit earlier. Yeah. His wife put this up as a monument. Yeah, his widow.
Mm-hmm.
Is it English?
Another organ here, smaller one.
Right. This is the organ console, yeah, the organ's played from, so it's a lot more modern than some of the other organs we've seen.
You got which is like a little transept. I think you're now into the Victorian part of the church.
It's the vestry in there, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't really want to have a look in the vestry. So
Lectern, probably.
you can see that the south wall of the nave is leaning slightly if you look.
Yes.
One other thing to note is that the roof is 15th century arch braced, although obviously it has been restored to some point, partly anyhow. Yeah, the roof is from the 15th century. We've got some nice wooden bosses up there as well.
Yes.
Moors on the south wall.
Yeah.
Some cool blends there. There's a nice one at the corner there, Russell, see it?
Oh, yes.
Rather a grim looking one, just staring down at us. We have behind the Victorian pulpit, possibly Roodstairs entrance.
Been there, I think, yes.
Yeah.
Recently.
And you can see that above it,
Oh, yeah, the exit.
where the angel is, you can see the exit, long blocked
That's
up.
an angel, I think it's like a lady.
It's got wings, look. You see the wings at the side?
Oh, right.
I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
A lady angel.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it could be. That's unusual.
So I think the pulpit, nice one, isn't it?
Yeah.
The design is 15th century.
Uh-huh. But is
Wine glass shape.
19th, is it?
Oh, certainly, yeah. It's not older than that. It's at least that kind of age. Come up here, but even these are getting on. 150, over 150 years old.
Oh, in some countries now, aren't they? It's incredible, isn't it? There's a view from there.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. Lectern, brass lectern, by the looks of it. Got some poppy heads coming into the chancel.
Yeah, again, I don't think they're very old.
No.
Victorian again.
There you go. And go and take a look in the chancel. Lovely chancel roof from 1870 as well.
Yeah, got some old memorials on the wall. They also kept those. Yeah.
So we've got some poppy head designs, poppy head imitations. Chancel 1870. So we've got some splendid monuments here. One in particular.
Yes.
Lots of different types of designs there, Russell.
Yeah, this went to a former rector again, but it's yeah.
So the main one is over here in the corner of the chancel. We've got monument to Bartholomew Cotton from 1613. You see him there.
Oh, yes.
In between the classical pillars.
Very good, isn't it?
It's got a ruff. This is the reign of James I. The design of these monuments would have been designed perhaps even decades before their death. Sometimes it seems a bit out of fashion. You've got a coat of arms at the top there.
Yeah, very good, isn't it?
Know much about the Cotton family?
No, I don't.
Inscriptions difficult to read.
Yes.
There you go. But it's very nice, very good one.
Very good. It's a bit neglected, isn't it? Need a bit clean, perhaps.
No one else in there? No weepers or the wife?
No, again, we had that before, didn't we? Is it in Latin again, is it? Yeah, looks like it's in Latin. Yeah.
Corinthian pillars.
Takes a bit of time to decipher, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Very nice. Okay. So, no, only have got a piscina, but of course that would just be there for show.
Probably been rebuilt.
Yep.
Yeah, from the original looks of it. Could have been.
Bit of a Catholic Renaissance there in
Yes,
High Victorian era.
definitely. Yeah, most of the former rectors, obviously, where they particularly restored the chancel, probably, yeah. No more wheels.
So we finished here at St Margaret, Starston.
Yeah.
Pleasant
Very
parish
nice.
church.
Yeah, very nicely kept. Lovely.
Lovely monuments.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty village as well.
Yes, very nice with the
Yeah.
little bridge with the little beck down the road there. with
That's right.
Water.
And while you're here, pop into Harleston.
Yeah, not far away, just about a
Nice
mile around the corner.
cosy pubs.
There's lovely places in Harleston, as you can probably
Harleston's
see on
a
our
lovely
other
town.
video, which is doing quite well.
Yeah, check out the Harleston video.
Yeah.
Walking tour. See you in the next one.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.